Hello, this is Nick with nickscomputerfix.com, and here's a video on how to speed up your computer on Windows 10. Free and easy. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here by clicking on the Start menu icon, and we're going to right click. That will open up the hidden menu, and we'll go up and click on Run, and that opens up the Run command prompt, and we can go ahead and type in msconfig at this point. And once you've done so, go down and click on OK, and that will open up the system configuration window, and we'll go up and click on the boot tab here. And as you can see, I'm dual booting Windows 10 and Windows 8, but let's focus on Windows 10. And what we do is go down below here, and we want to go ahead and change this boot time from default 30 seconds, and I like 5 seconds. Some people make it 3, but I like 5, and that'll boot up Windows 10 quicker. Once I've done that, I want to go ahead and make sure that I don't have any program apps that are starting up that don't need to be starting up and using up my resources. So I'm going to go up here, and under the Startup tab, I'm going to click that. And in Windows 10, the way you control or stop or enable the programs that start up while you're booting is in the Task Manager. So I'll click there. And then under Startup, let me move this up a little bit so we can see this better. In my case, I have 3 programs running that are in the startup, but I only have one of them that I'm going to select and disable from running. You may have a dozen programs that you might not want running, but at any case, don't disable any antivirus programs that you have running. Leave them enabled, very important. And I'm going to select this one right here, the OneDrive, just as an example. And I'm going to go down here and click on disable. Now that one's disabled and will not start up when the computer starts up. Now, in order to enable one that maybe I made an error on and decided later that, hey, I want that one to go ahead and start while I boot up, I go down here and click enable, and once again that's enabled. So you can change your decision anytime you like, and once you're done, we'll go ahead and close that out and go down here, and we'll go ahead and click on OK. And then you're prompted to make another choice, restart now or exit without restart. If you want to go ahead and make these changes and have them take effect immediately, then you would click on restart. Okay, the next item that we want to adjust to increase the performance within Windows 10 is our performance options. And we do that by going down and right clicking on the start menu icon, opening up the hidden menu, and going up and clicking on System. Now that'll open up the System Information window, and over on the left hand side here, down on the bottom, we want to go ahead and click on Advanced System Setup, and that'll open up this window here, System Properties. And we want to go ahead and click on Advanced if you don't have Advanced already open. And once you do, we want to go ahead and click on the Settings button over here on the right hand side, and that opens up the Performance Options window. And under the Visual Effects tab, we have 4 options down here. First one is let Windows choose what's best for my computer by default. Second one is adjust for best appearance, and the third one is adjust for best performance, and the fourth one is custom. Now what we want to do is go ahead and then check on a check mark on adjust for best performance. And if you want one of these features to run, because that's what best performance does, it turns all these visual effects off. If you want any individual visual effect to run, put a check mark by it. That makes it custom. And once you've done that and decided just to run those few that you got accustomed to, click on apply, and then go ahead and click on OK. And then we'll click on OK again and close this out. Okay, we have come to the end of this tutorial for Windows 10. Subscribe and like my video.